How did Lysenkoism affect science history? Imagine a time when science was turned upside down by political power. That's exactly what happened with Lysenkoism in the Soviet Union. It was a movement led by Trofim Lysenko that rejected the well-established principles of genetics. Instead, it promoted the idea that organisms could pass on traits acquired during their lifetime. This idea is called Lamarckism, and it contradicts what we know about genes and natural selection. Lysenko claimed environmental changes could directly change heredity, dismissing the role of genes as independent units. His theories, called Maturism, aligned with Soviet ideology and were presented as a way to build a better society. This led to the suppression of real genetic research and the persecution of scientists who disagreed. Over 3,000 scientists, including the prominent geneticist Nikolai Vavilov, were dismissed, imprisoned, or even executed. Vavilov, once a mentor to Lysenko, died in prison after criticizing his pseudoscience. The entire field of genetics in the Soviet Union was effectively shut down for decades. This meant no progress in plant breeding or biology during that time. Other fields like neurophysiology and cell biology also suffered because of Lysenko's influence. The flawed ideas led to disastrous agricultural policies. Crops failed, and famines spread across the Soviet Union. The worst was in China, where adopting Lysenko's methods during the Great Chinese Famine caused millions of deaths. Outside the USSR, scientists quickly recognized Lysenkoism as pseudoscience, especially after the discovery of DNA's double helix structure. This discovery proved Lysenko's ideas wrong and helped to discredit his movement. After Stalin's death and during Nikita Khrushchev's leadership, Soviet scientists started to challenge Lysenko openly. This led to the decline of Lysenkoism and the return of genuine genetics research. Looking at this strange chapter in science history, it's clear how politics can distort science. Lysenkoism turned biology into a bizarre experiment where false claims were accepted as truth. It shows us how dangerous it can be when ideology overrides scientific method. This episode remains a cautionary tale about the importance of sticking to evidence and rigorous testing in science.